Hello and welcome to CutiePod. Thank you for your business with us. Today I'm going to give you a small update for a way how you used to pay us through PayPal. As you might know that there are two options by which you can send us the payment for your wholesale orders through PayPal. One is send to friends and family, and the second option is pay for goods or services. This first option, send to friend and family, is the best one because you have to pay only 1% PayPal fee, which is very cheap compared to any other payment option, including the bank transfer, where you have to pay at least $40 for payment fee. And the second option is pay for goods or services. In this option, for this option, you have to pay around 4 to 6% of payment processing fee to PayPal. It depends on your country and also the amount you are sending. So today we have a small change for the way how you used to pay us through this payment option. Uh, the change is whenever you send us payment through this method, pay for goods or services, you need to make sure that the shipping address on your PayPal must be same as a shipping address on your order sheet you have sent to us. If there is no consistency, if they are not consistent, we will refund you and you have to pay again with a different, with the same payment address which you have used on your order sheet. So in case your PayPal by default have a different address and you want to ship to a different address, so what you got to do is, let me teach you. So you go in here, you input the email address where you are paying, and you click next, and right here at the bottom you have your shipping address. So here, once you click on this, you can change and add a new shipping address. For example, you want to send goods to a different address. You want to send goods to your friend to another country or whatsoever, and you need to add a new address. You can do right here. Just click on add a new delivery address and then input all the address details here. Once again, the address here must be same as the address you have on excuse me, on your order sheet. So you need to make sure the address on order sheet and address in your PayPal payments you have sent to us must be same. So this is the most important, and in case it does not match, we will not be able to process your order. Just an extra tip here. When you're sending payment, make sure that you send us in Hong Kong dollars. In our PayPal account, we only accept Hong Kong dollars. For example, you want to send this amount, just input the amount here, and then you can choose the currencies you have, by which you want to pay. For example, I want to pay by US dollars. But for the recipient, you can choose what currency the recipient should receive. So in our case, I will choose Hong Kong dollar. So this is how it should work, and you must send us Hong Kong dollars all the time. So this is it for the new change in policy by PayPal. Make sure in the future you send us the payment through the exactly same address you have used on your order sheet. Thank you for watching. This is it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.